I have another Charlie the Ranch Dog book called Stuck in the Mud by Ree Drummond. Wake up, wake up! I race around the ranch house. Get out of bed. It's time to go out to the pasture. Hang on, I better eat just a bit more breakfast. Moving cattle is a big job. I'll need my strength. I ran down the porch steps and Mama helps me into the back of the truck. We're on our way. The air is crisp. The sky is blue. My tongue goes flap, flap, flap. Sniff, sniff. I smell the cows far away, across the green grass. Did you know not every dog can be a cattle dog? In the middle of a herd of cattle, some dogs get a little crazy. They chase, they bark, they run in circles. Not me, no way. I stay calm, cool, and collected. Mama and the other cowgirls and cowboys ride behind the herd. I'm on high alert in case they need backup. I spot a small calf. Her name is Abigail. Look out! She starts to stray. I speed up just enough to put a little pressure on Abigail. See, she heads right back to the herd. Huh? Hey, get back here. Okay, that's it. Chase time. I weave and bob here and there, under one heel, then the other. I'm the greatest cattle dog this ranch has ever seen. Abigail runs faster and faster. I'll catch her. I'm fast, I'm clever, I'm focused, I'm stuck. The mud is thick and gooey. Lift, I tell my legs. They weigh 100 pounds. They won't budge. Don't worry, Abigail. I'll get us out of this mess. Oh, Misha comes to join us for the reading time. Hi. A cattle dog never panics. This is no big deal. We'll be just fine. My long floppy ears feel sticky. Mud is everywhere. I shake my head to get it off. Ouch! My eyes, it stings. Misha likes Charlie's stories. I smell Abigail nearby. I try to lean a little closer. Plop. I fall face first. Sniff, sniff. Ah, all I smell is a nose full of mud. Oh. That's my Charlie howl. Where am I? Someone scratches behind my ears. I hear Mama's voice. She cleans my eyes. I see Mama and Abigail. She's free. My howl. It must have done the trick. Even when I can't move, can't see, and can't even smell, I never lose my cool. There's no cattle dog like me. Oh, wonderful, warm, dry ranch house. Mama hops out of the truck. No, not the house. Not the hose. I hate baths, but I hate mud more. Mama wraps me in a fluffy towel. I roll on my back. I'll take a belly rub, please. and an extra strip of juicy bacon just for saving the day. The end. Love you.